It's a heart of service that really keeps motivating us. We strive to keep our business affordable, ethical, and we're really trying to reach out and help the individuals that are walking out a path that we've been on. And that's what we love doing. There's not a person in our office that hasn't walked out that same journey. We offer credit repair, and credit repair can often be misunderstood. A lot of times, people confuse debt consolidation, debt settlement, consolidation of student loans, etc. with credit repair, and we're none of those things. We not only do the credit repair, but we also assist clients at settling collection debt. If they have outstanding credit debt that's keeping their scores low, we will assist them for settling those for pennies on the dollar, getting those paid and deleted off their credit reports. One of the big things in our industry is that you have to be licensed and bonded with the Department of Justice. Only about 3% of companies out there go through that process because it's very in-depth, and they scrutinize your business and nobody really wants the regulation on top of them. Our integrity is our #1 priority of our business, making sure that we go through all of the legal processes and make sure that we're compliant with all of the California regulations.
Is it true? Can we really help them? We encourage them to do their due diligence, investigate us, and find out who we are. We let them know it's not going to happen overnight. We're honest with them, but then the hurdles that they have on their credit report didn't happen overnight, but there is hope, and life happens, and people are real. We want people to understand that we know they're real people, and things happen to really good people.
I met Tiffany first time. We were both on a panel of experts for the Bureau of Real Estate. It became clear that they weren't just trying to shove a square peg into a round hole, and that they were actually really caring about helping people out. They were the only firm that I'd found that was actually following the law about what it took to be in the business of credit repair. I would say that it's important more than anything to find a company to work with that's ethical and cares about you, and they do.
Most real estate agents and mortgage lenders have had negative experiences with credit repair companies in the past. So for us, providing real FICO certified education for mortgage lenders and real estate agents gives them a chance to see that we're different. It really gains the opportunity for us to develop solid relationships where we can reciprocate not only education, but actual referrals to our real estate referral partners. After this long in the business, we still get butterflies when we hear that someone is closing escrow on their dream home, when just 2 or 3 months ago they were told they weren't qualified to buy. It feels so empowering to continue to educate consumers and then help them achieve their dreams. Even today, I'm just as excited as I was 12 years ago when I see that someone is done with our program and moving forward.